Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be covering a project that has been blowing up recently. Please like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. None of this is financial advice. Please get yourself a financial advisor. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want.
So the project I'm going to be covering today is called Kaspa. The ticker is Kas. Essentially, Kaspa aims to do what Bitcoin was meant to do, be a peer-to-peer cash system. However, Bitcoin has instead became basically digital gold. People do not want to sell their Bitcoin. That's the problem. So if Bitcoin is digital gold, Kaspa essentially aims to be digital silver, which in ancient times, silver was used a lot better as a currency than gold was because silver was a lot more abundant. So Kaspa right now is sitting at a price of about 2.5 cents. Its market cap is 438 million. It's not the biggest market cap coin we've talked about so far on this channel. However, it is still a pretty large market cap coin. The fully diluted is just under 700 billion. The circulating supply is 18 billion and the max supply is 28.7 billion. There's about 63% of it in circulation. According to CoinMarketCap, Kaspa is ranked 213 among all cryptocurrencies. And I want you guys to keep in mind, Kaspa has been very volatile recently. As you can see, within the last month alone, the lowest price in the last month is about 1.5 cents and the highest price is about a little bit over 4 cents. It has been pretty volatile recently, so be careful of that. When you look at the all-time index of Kaspa, it has ran massively recently. In July of 2022, it was barely 1/100th of a penny, and now it's ran all the way up to 4 cents. I mean, if you got in back in July of 2022, you were loving life right now. Regardless, I do not think Kaspa's done. I think Kaspa has a lot of potential next bull run. Kaspa is a proof-of-work cryptocurrency which implements the Ghost DAG protocol. Unlike traditional blockchains, Ghost DAG does not orphan blocks created in parallel, rather allows them to coexist and orders them in consensus. So it basically runs proof of work, which is the same thing that Bitcoin runs, and it's what Ethereum used to run. However, proof of work has always been thought to be not scalable. That's been the issue with proof of work. Bitcoin wasn't scalable. Ethereum wasn't scalable. Because Kaspa implements Ghost DAG protocol, it has now supposedly solved the blockchain trilemma, which is massive. I made a video about Kadena, and I think Kaspa shares similar qualities to Kadena. They are different. However, they both are proof-of-work blockchains that have massive potential. And in case you guys don't know, the blockchain trilemma is scalability, security, and decentralization. No blockchain in the past has been able to really solve that. And the problem with proof-of-stake blockchains, like what Ethereum merged into, is by nature, proof-of-stake is going to become more centralized. So it defeats the whole purpose of being a decentralized blockchain, which is why if proof of work can be scalable, I do think there is a good chance that proof of work wins at the end of the day. That's just my opinion. If a lot of other people disagree and prefer proof of stake, then it's going to be tough for these proof of work blockchains to end up winning at the end of the day and becoming a top tier layer one project, because there are a lot of good layer ones out there right now. Several of them I've already covered on this channel. Kaspa was envisioned by R&D company DAG Labs through investment by Polychain. The founder is Jonathan Sompolinsky, postdoc CS at Harvard University on the MEV research team. One reason that I am extremely bullish on this project also is what this says right here. Jonathan's 2013 paper on Ghost Protocol is cited in Ethereum's white paper. The fact that Ethereum's talking about it, I think that's pretty bullish news. Kaspa is unique in its ability to support high block rates while maintaining the level of security offered by proof-of-work environments. It operates at 1 block per second. That is very fast. Kaspa network is secured by miners through proof-of-work and uses an algo named K-heavy hash. Kaspa markets are something that has me extremely bullish as well. Kaspa has a market cap right now of 438 million. That is very large for the markets that it's on right now. Kaspa is not on Binance. It's not on Coinbase. It's not even on KuCoin. The biggest markets it's on is Gate.io, MEXC, TXBit. Like, it's not on any of the major centralized exchanges, and yet it has 500 million market cap. That's crazy. Its potential for growth is enormous if it starts getting listed on these massive centralized exchanges and it becomes easier for people to actually buy it. None of this is financial advice. However, I could absolutely see Kaspa reaching $1 in the future. I don't think that is out of the range of possibilities. Obviously, it would have to grow a lot from here. However, if it ends up winning and being the layer one scalable proof of work blockchain, there is no reason at all that Kaspa can't reach $1, $2, $3, even more. Now we'll get into the website a little bit. So Kaspa is the fastest open source, decentralized, and fully scalable layer 1 in the world, the world's first block DAG, built by industry pioneers led by the people. And that's another thing that's really unique about Kaspa, is it is 100% ran by the community. I won't go super in depth with their website. However, if you guys are looking to invest in Kaspa, you may want to look further into it. But I think the website looks pretty good and the white paper looks promising. Now we'll get into a little bit of technical analysis. So when you look at Kaspa on the daily time frame, as you can see, it was over 4 cents. Now it has came back down to that 2.5 cent range. The stochastics are completely reset, which looks promising, and the RSI is even coming down and is reset. We had a lower low swinging up to a higher low. The RSI, we had a higher low swinging down to a lower low. That's class A bullish divergence. That looks pretty good on the daily time frame. And with the stochastics being reset, if Bitcoin is willing to play ball and not dump further, I think Kaspa looks pretty good. But keep in mind, none of this is financial advice. Now, when you look at Bitcoin on the daily time frame, as I warned in my last video, the bearish divergence did end up playing out a little bit. Now, how low will it go? It could end up coming down all the way to 24,800. Who knows? But it currently came down and hit the target I talked about in my last video. It actually came down and hit 27,200 perfectly. Bitcoin controls the markets. You guys need to understand that. If Bitcoin falls, there's a great chance Kaspa is going to fall and a lot of your other altcoins are going to fall. If Bitcoin pumps, there's a great chance your altcoins are going to pump. And typically altcoins move in larger percentages than Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin pumps 5%, there's a great chance alts might pump 10%. If Bitcoin falls 5%, alts might dump 10%. So be very careful with that. Bitcoin, at least the stochastics are resetting on the daily time frame, which is pretty good. And the RSI is getting a lot lower. I like to see that a lot. We will see what Bitcoin ends up doing. So be careful with Kaspa. It's been very, very volatile recently. All that being said, I believe Kaspa has a lot of potential long-term. None of this is financial advice. Please get yourself a financial advisor. But that's about it. Like and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Thank you guys for watching. We'll stay making gains all next bull run.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man,